How's it going, guys? It's the beginning of June. A couple things happening here. It's the end of the turkey season, so there's nobody out there chasing turkeys anymore. Makes it the perfect time to get out if you have permission to hunt a private farm. I don't hunt this farm behind me, but if you look there, there's beans are just starting to come up. From last year in hunting season, if you found a good spot you wanted to hang a stand, or you need to move a stand, or bugs are bad, or if you got out here and did postseason scouting and you found a spot maybe, and you need to hang a stand, this time of year right now is an excellent time to do it. And the reason why I say that is not just aren't there turkey hunters out there, but if you look at how little those plants are and how far apart they are, you could walk down through there carrying a deer stand and some sticks, or you and a buddy carry a ladder stand down through there without messing up anything too bad, without squishing any plants. Now, if you wait till the end of August, say your archery season starts in September like it does here in Pennsylvania, at least in my part of Pennsylvania, if you wait till the end of August, that field would be a wall of soybeans back here behind me, and waist high. You won't be able to walk down through there without messing up the plants, and you would disturb your deer hunting also. Law of diminishing returns, which I've talked about numerous times. You walk down through there in August, end of August, with Treestand, sweat all over the place, probably bleed from getting cut by briars and whatnot. You'd stink up your area where you're putting that tree stand, where you want to have that awesome new spot. Well, any deer worth its hide is going to come by through there at the end of August, beginning of September, and be able to smell you, and probably not going to be spending a whole lot of time there during the daytime. So just for me, it's my recommendation. It's what I do, is when I find a new spot on a farm like this, if I have permission to go in there and hang a deer stand, I do it as soon as turkey season's over. Nobody's going to be out there while I'll mess up any hunting, and they won't see where I'm hanging my stands. And the deer will have plenty of time to get used to your deer stand and totally forget about it by the time hunting season comes around, and you won't disturb anything that the farmer's doing. So I was just out here at back of my property, at my archery range, walking the dog. My wife wanted a little dog that would sit on her lap, follow her around like a shadow. So now I have a little dog that likes to sit on my lap and cuddle and follows me around like a shadow. But I just wanted to show you that and give you an idea for some things you can do this time of the year. A lot of other things you can do too. Speaking of archery ranges, I'll be down here probably this weekend, and I'll give you an update on the cheap bow Amazon bow challenge. I'll also have a crossbow out at some point. You guys that have crossbows, you have to try to find where you left them at the end of archery season last year, and get those out. And we're going to do a little bit of maintenance on archery equipment, and we're going to tune our traditional bows. So just a couple things I had lined up. I thought I'd say something to you guys. So thanks for checking in. Remember what I always say, we're all on the same team. Have a great weekend.